Okay, how's it going? Today we're gonna redo these cabinets, the drawers and the doors. So first of all, we're gonna wash the cabinet and rinse it thoroughly before we do anything. So I have TSP, trisodium phosphate. I use that because it rinses clean. So first we'll go around the edges. I always do the edges first. Get all the moogly off it. It's kind of gross, but it's just what you've been in your kitchen. So. Don't worry about flipping around on my little bench here because we'll be sanding the door down. Yeah, see the little moogly in the corners. We'll be sanding all the surfaces, so flipping around my gam's not an issue. Make sure you get all the moogly off it. That's one of the key things, get the moogly off. Try not to let the particle board get wet. It's inevitable, but just dry it like I did. Yeah, you don't want to submerge it in water. And if you do, a couple minutes is not going to matter that much. Inside. It's going to be a multiple part series. So I'm going to rinse after that. My rinse water could be changed. Let me run through. So the key point is rinse the TSP off. You can see it's dripping with water. Try to get all the TSP off it. Okay. Now we dry it. Drying section right here. So right now it's winter time, and overnight it's been getting into the 30s, but in the daytime it's been warming up to the 70s. So that's why I'm doing it outside, so it doesn't reach the heat on the cabinet doors. You want them to be completely dry. Make sure I dry the surface decently. And I'll set it in the sun. Flip them over to the other side, make sure it's nice and gets warmed up. I'll just set it right here for now. So we'll be doing the back sides first. So next I'll be sanding. So this is a plastic surface. It's melamine. It's plastic on composite or OSB. Looks like so it's just like a heat attached. So what they do, they put it on there, heat it up, it shrinks to size, and makes it look beautiful. So these cabinets, I'm not sure their age, but the lady was just tired of looking at white cabinets, so we'll let that heat up, and then on to the next section. it's multiple processes I'll be going through. So, all right, we'll see you in a little while.